Hey, can you tell me what is the difference between a possessive pronoun or a possessive adjective? Do you know? If you're not sure, make sure you stick around, because right after the intro, I'm going to dive into this.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Hey guys, Mr. Finn here once again to help you out with some English. And today, this is going to be video number 3 of my series on pronouns. If you're liking this content, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new posts, alright? And if you're watching this on your smartphone, make sure you take a screenshot. Tag me on Instagram and I'll make sure to get in contact with you. Now, let's get into this. Possessive pronouns or possessive adjectives. What are they and what's the difference? Now, before I can explain possessive pronouns, I think it's more important that I get into possessive adjectives. First, what is an adjective? That's right, adjectives describe nouns, clarifying a noun and telling you what a noun is. And something you need to remember that is vital or crucial to the English language is that adjectives are always with a noun. They always come before a noun, right? So, if I'm talking about possessive adjectives, these are going to be the words that are going to explain who the possession of something is. So, for example, I'm recording this on my camera. It's not your camera. You see that? What are the possessive adjectives? We have my, your, his, her, its, our, their. So, my camera, not your camera. This is our planet, right? This isn't my lake. You get the idea? A possessive adjective is always going to go before a noun to clarify who that noun belongs to. Make sense? Great. And that's why it's crucial to understand the possessive adjective before I can get into a possessive pronoun. Because the possessive pronoun is just like the adjective. My becomes mine. Your becomes yours. His is his. Her is hers. It's. Our, ours. Their, theirs. You see that? The majority of these possessive pronouns, practically all of them, are the same as the possessive adjective. The only difference is you're adding an S to it, practically, right? Like your, yours, her, hers, their, theirs. So why? Why add the S? Because these are used when it's not necessary to say the noun. When the noun, which would be used with the possessive adjective, is already known, oftentimes in an answer. So for example, whose car is that? Oh, that's mine. Even when it comes to like children or wife, or whose children are those? Oh, they are mine. You see? Oh, this book, it's his. Or this dog is hers. You see that? So the possessive pronouns are used just like the possessive adjectives. It's just that when we're using the pronoun, you do not put the noun with it, right? Because by definition, pronouns are to substitute the nouns. You see? It's that simple. Like I've always said, one of the things that I love most about the English language is its simplicity. I hope that was a help to you. And I hope that you're practicing your English. That is the most important thing. Guys, make sure to click on one of these other videos and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm Mr. Finn and I'll catch you later.